Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix water leak or moisture detected in charging port on your DJI Osmo Action 6. The thing you'd wanna do first is to power it off immediately. And I would also highly recommend getting the battery out as soon as possible. So let's open the battery door. Let's get the battery out. So there's no power in the device. If there's any water visible here, just shake it out and let the device air dry for about 24 hours. So just leave it somewhere so it can dry. Do not, you can put it in rice if you want. That is helpful, but I would recommend doing that with the ports closed, so it just doesn't, the rice doesn't get stuck in the ports if it's a small grain rice. But it is indeed helpful, so you can do that, or just leave it there because it doesn't have a battery inside, so it shouldn't break. It shouldn't break. And then to prevent things like this, always make sure that both covers are properly closed, which means they are fully closed all the way in, and that there's no hair or debris in between the seal, the red seal, and the thing that you're covering. So you should pay attention to that, because then it'll make it not close properly, and that can lead to water getting into the camera. Once it's air dried, you can just put the battery back in, close the door, make sure you do it tightly, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.